Hello everyone. So now we are going to discuss about information disclosure attacks, which are introspection, field suggestion, GraphQL, and then stack trace, then SSRF. So first we are going to discuss about introspection enabled, how we can perform that particular attack and how we can mitigate this. So we just need to have some post request for that. I'll go to the proxy. I'll just pick some. Okay, so I'll be using this GraphQL request. I'll go to repeater. Now I have to change this query with the introspection query. I'll change this query with introspection query. You just have to go to Google and search GraphQL Voyager. You will get some link. Click on this second link and you will get this particular interface. Now click on change schema. Click on introspection. From here you have to copy introspection query. So the introspection query is now copied. Now just paste it down to the particular request part and send it. It will take some time, so we'll wait for the response. Yes, so now we have got the response, and this is the whole schema of the application, that how the queries are working. So I'll just copy this particular schema, and in order to get it in a very readable format and a very good format, I'll just paste the response here. I'll remove this, click on display. So here you can see the query, audit object, user object, owner object, paste object, search result. All the things are in this particular. The flow of the particular application is here, and you can say the schema. Now, introspection should be disabled in production and all the environments, because if you keep it enabled, then attacker is going to get this particular schema of the application. Then it will be easy for him to exploit the application. Also, one more thing, we need to make sure that the GraphQL interface is also disabled in production. So this is the yes, this is GraphQL, and you need to disable this in production as well. All right, so this was introspection and GraphQL. Now the next is field suggestion. So I'll go back to the request that I have captured. I'll just take the GraphQL one again. I'll send it to repeater. Okay. Now I'll go to inquel. Let's say in this I'll write down like double T in title. It will start suggesting me that did you mean title? So this is something that we need to make sure that we disable, because with these error messages, the hacker is going to get some ideas about this schema, that how it is working, what is for the queries and the mutation, what is the flow and what are the queries. And the next one is the stack trace errors. So I'll go to the request and I'll just do it. Okay, I'll send it. Now for the stack trace errors in our response part, it is the stack traces are also something that discloses the information to the attackers. So in order to perform the stack trace error, I'll just change it to GraphQL and I'll go back to inquel. Again, I'll write something else. I'll send it. So as you can see here, we are getting stack traces and debug. So this is something that we should not have in our responses, because it is going to help the hacker to guess the functioning of the application, how it is working and what things are where. So this is all about information disclosure, and thank you so much for watching.